Are you stuck watching tutorial after tutorial, reading programming books from cover to cover, but not being able to code a simple website header? Welcome, my friend, to the tutorial hell. First, you are not alone. Almost every programmer has experienced this phase of his or her career. It's not uncommon for people who start learning programming to sign up for a dozen programming courses, watch hundreds of tutorials, but after all these efforts, they still can't build anything in the real world. Unfortunately, sometimes it's not enough to just follow along the tutorial and consume information. You must build something by yourself. It can be something small, like a website footer or a navbar, or just add a twist to the tutorial project you are building, change fonts, add a new section or a new feature to the project. This way you will learn much more than if you just followed someone else's instructions without actually messing with code yourself. Besides, the best way to learn is to learn by doing, and if you get stuck, you can watch a tutorial or read an article on the specific topic you are struggling with. It's much more effective than to be just collecting some irrelevant information you might never use. After some trials and errors, you will eventually learn how to build some custom parts of the website, and then you can unite those parts into one single website, which will be unique because you have built it all by yourself. And such custom projects are way better to show off to recruiters or potential employers than just some random YouTube projects that everyone has on their portfolio. Besides, when you write your own code, you will know the code base much better and will be able to answer all the questions concerning it. So don't be afraid to take some project from the internet, add new features to it and break some code. Moreover, it's actually strongly encouraged. As Elon Musk once said, it's much better to teach kids how to build a rocket engine using different wrenches than to just give them a class on wrenches. Another useful tip: read other people's code on GitHub and try to understand how their projects work, because this is exactly what you will be doing once you find a programming job, reading other people's code and trying to figure out how it works. It's also very useful to commit to open source projects. It will help you to gain a massive amount of experience in a short period of time and to become an overall better programmer. So be very careful of what you are learning. Always have an end goal in your mind. Are you learning new stuff to apply it right now or just in case you might need it later? And you definitely don't need to watch every single tutorial there is on React.js or any other technology you are trying to learn, or read all programming books from cover to cover. Often reading the official documentation is a better way to grasp how the particular technology actually works. To sum it all up, don't just watch tutorials, but use them as a reference when you are stuck building your own project, and you will succeed. It was Dimitri, thanks for watching.